The COVID-19 economic crisis will be unprecedented and long-lasting. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development released its new outlook, saying the recovery will take longer than expected. The Paris-based organization now says France, Italy and the UK will be hardest hit, with their economies shrinking by over 11% this year. The euro area will face a drop of over 9%. But things could get even worse, the OECD Secretary-General told Euronews.
Well, first of all, we're saying minus 6% for the world economy in 2020 in the case of no recurrence of the pandemic. If we have a second wave, we're saying it can go to a contraction of 7.5%, maybe even more. We're looking more at the U-shaped recovery rather than the V-shaped recovery.
Should there be a second wave this year, France, Italy and the UK will see their growth going down by around 14% in 2020. The Eurozone would lose over 11%. The OECD praised governments for reacting remarkably quickly to the crisis.
The future of Europe is integration. An integrated Europe will be better off. The level of well-being will be increased. Health systems are not, the responsibility of the European Commission. They are the responsibility of each one of the countries. So you basically are dealing with different policies and different ways of addressing different ways in which you read the numbers and you react to the numbers. But in the end, you've had a fairly steady and I would say fairly generalized approach.
But even with this approach, it will still take time for confidence to return. Sasha Vakulina, Euronews.